God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. So today in the gospel, Jesus is approaching Jericho, and a blind man was sitting there on the roadside begging. And hearing that Jesus was passing, and it was a very big crowd, he's asking, before that he's asking, what is going on? And people are telling him that, oh, Jesus is passing. And this man knew who Jesus was. And so he began shouting, Jesus of Nazareth, Jesus, son of David, have pity on me. And people around him trying to stop him. And he kept crying, Jesus, son of David, have pity on me. And then Jesus heard that voice, even though there was a big crowd, and then demanded the blind person to come to him. And he asked him one question. What do you want me to do for you? Just imagine when you are praying and Jesus is coming to you in person, telling you or asking you, what do you want me to do for you? Today, what are you going to ask? We ask according to our needs. And sometimes we don't have very, very special needs that at particular time we need from God. But can we ask about others? For instance, this time of pandemic, we get time to pray, and Jesus is asking us, America, what do you want me to do for you? Why can't we say, Jesus, have pity on us? We want to get rid of this pandemic. As a nation, let's say we organize ourselves 3 days, even 9 days, fasting and asking, Jesus, have pity on us. We are tired of this pandemic. Yes, Father Gama doesn't have it now, but we have friends and relatives who have it. Can we do that? When we get time to pray, can we say, Jesus, have pity on us? Get rid of us this pandemic. Can we do that? Sometimes we are like those people at the crowd. This blind person is crying. They don't let him to go to Jesus. We are good now. We are healthy. We don't have coronavirus. We forget maybe to pray for others. Maybe as a church, as a nation, we have to be serious in surrendering to God and say, God, you are the one who's going to take away this. Have pity on us. Can we have a few days of prayer? Like just telling Jesus, we have our beloved brothers and sisters who have died, and some are still suffering. Have pity on us. So if Jesus appears to you today, asking you, what do you want me to do for you? What would be your prayer? But also, let us learn from this crowd. They were there stopping or silencing this blind person, rebuking him, telling him to be silent while he was in need. He wanted to see. Maybe you and me, sometimes we silence those who want to see Jesus. So today we are reminded, let us give them chance to go to Jesus. Let us open the doors for them that they can see Jesus and get healed from any sort of disease, mentally, physically, God can heal us. But first of all, we have to know that He is Jesus, Son of David. He is God. So first we have to have trust to God, and then we can tell Him what we need, and He's going to help us. God is good all the time. All the time, God is good.